Well, good morning, guys, and welcome. This is Stuart from Zadel Property Education with another quick update on the Rapid Renovation Formula Challenge with Naomi Finlay live. And I just want to point out a couple of things to you this morning. I'm up here. I've been away a bit traveling with work, and I'm up here to see the progress. So a couple of things. We've got these mission brown windows here, and the options were to replace them, too expensive for the job, paint them, which we could have done, but then you've got to paint them every 5 or 10 years, or leave them and mask them or hide them. So we've put a trim around the window that's going to be painted, and in an attempt to hide those windows. That's one of the major changes we're doing to the front. Subtle, but hopefully significant. Second thing is we're going to deck this whole front tiled porch area. Now, normally we would want to tile over this, but we can't. The structure of it is it's sagging away. It's if we tile over it, the new tiles are only going to be cracking up very soon as well. So we've taken the option that we're going to be decking it, and we'll show you that soon. However, it's one of the last things to do because all the work and pressure and time is on the inside at the moment before the painters come tomorrow morning to really blast the whole house internally and some external as well. What I want to show you today though, however, is the highlights, the side lights outside the doors, where you can only see one right now. These beautiful glass panels, you may have seen the glass getting cut before, and now the chippy has put them in, and I think they look fantastic. There's one on either side, they look symmetrical. Once we paint up that door, it should look fantastic. So there's the quick update today and how things are progressing, and I'll check in with you guys soon. Cheers for now.